In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals crashing after compiling shaders. The first thing I suggest you do is you open up the launcher, and before pressing launch, you come in here and go to the cogwheel and then try and start it with GPU debug mode. So activate this, confirm, and then try and launch it. Now if this doesn't work, try and come to the launcher again and press clear local configuration files and see if that works. If this also doesn't work, what you can do is just close the launcher down, and we want to stop the game from running. Then right click on it, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files, and see if this helps you. If this doesn't help, press browse, find the launcher right here, right click, properties, compatibility, and try and activate these two. Now you can also try and enable compatibility mode for Windows 8 and also for Windows 7 if you want to see if any of those help you. Now I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.